Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now this is not a video that I would typically do because for starters, it's not a car. But I saw the need for this tutorial, so I decided to go ahead and do it. So what we're looking at here today is a Sharp MX5051 printer. Now it's one of these printers that until the ink cartridge is finished, you can't remove it. You can't just opt to remove the cartridge. Okay, when it's finished, it will say okay, boom, replace cartridge, whatever. It'll eject it. So I'm a firm believer machines must do as they're told. So if I want the cartridge out, it should come out. So I'm going to show you how to force the ejection of the toner or ink cartridge for the Sharp MX5051. Okay. So what we want to start by doing is to double tap the home button twice. Okay. Then you come up to this the toner quantity display. The bottom right hand corner, you see the version. Just tap the version once. It goes to this numeric keypad. You want to go to hashtag *C*. Then it goes to the test mode. Okay, you want to select the toner motor check. Then you want to select toner cartridge eject sensor check. Okay, in the bottom left hand corner you'll see each toner cartridge. So now what you want to do is to open the panel. Then you just press execute. You see, cut that out. Let's try it back in. Close the door. Now, once that's done, exit, and then it will recycle to the start menu. All right, there you go. That's it, guys. How to force eject ink cartridges on a Sharp MX5051. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.